used to believe that being prepared meant having the right products on the shelf, the right vitamins, the right first aid kit, the right supplements ordered in bulk. And then someone asked me a question I couldn't answer. If you couldn't get to a store or order anything for a few weeks, what would your home actually have to offer you? I thought about it, and honestly, not much. That question started me down a path I wasn't expecting, and what I found at the end of it is what I want to share with you today. Here's what I've realized talking to so many women in my community. We are incredibly resourceful. We research, we plan, we take care of everyone around us. But when it comes to everyday wellness, a rough night of sleep, an upset stomach, irritated skin, a stressful week that just won't let up, most of us are still completely dependent on what is available at a store or shipped to our door. And we've never stopped to ask whether that's the only way. The thing is, that dependence doesn't feel urgent until it does. Until the thing you need is out of stock. Until the price has gone up again. Until the delivery is delayed and you're just waiting. And suddenly what felt like convenience starts to feel like vulnerability. I've been there. A lot of us have. But here's the part I think hits the deepest. It's that moment when someone you love needs comfort. Your kid, your partner, your parent. And you look around your home and realize you have nothing to offer from it. You have to go buy something, or wait, or hope. And there's a quiet helplessness in that feeling that most of us just accept. But I don't think we have to. I think there's a version of home life where you feel more capable, more grounded, and more prepared. Not in a complicated way, in a very simple, very practical way. That's exactly what drew me to the Medicinal Garden Kit. Not because of dramatic promises, because of what it actually is. It is a kit that helps you grow a small medicinal herb garden at home, and then teaches you what to do with what you grow. Not just how to plant things and watch them sit there. How to turn them into preparations you can actually use. Teas, tinctures, salves, infusions, things you make yourself in your own kitchen. From plants you grew in your own yard. That idea of growing something useful and knowing what to do with it. That is what got me. And the person behind this kit is someone whose background I really respect. Nicole Apelian is an herbalist, biologist, and survival skills instructor with a biology degree from McGill University. She spent years living alongside the San Bushmen of the Kalahari, learning traditional plant knowledge passed down through generations. Nicole also lives with multiple sclerosis, and her personal experience with that diagnosis led her to dedicate years to studying and documenting traditional herbal knowledge, not as a substitute for medical care, but as a deeply personal commitment to practical self-reliance and connection with nature. She also survived 57 days alone in the wilderness on the History Channels alone. When I hear that kind of background, I pay attention, because this isn't someone who built a brand around wellness trends. This is someone who has lived this knowledge in the most real way possible, and the kit itself reflects that depth. 10 plants, chosen deliberately, each with real, well-documented traditional uses. Chicory, yarrow, California poppy, marshmallow root, chamomile, evening primrose, lavender, echinacea, calendula, and feverfew, each one tied to something we actually deal with: sleep, digestion, skin health, seasonal support, stress, wound care, immune support, and everyday home preparedness. And the guide, Herbal Medicinal Guide, from seeds to remedies, walks you through everything: planting, harvesting, and turning what you grow into tinctures, salves, infusions, oils, and more. In plain language, step by step, designed so a complete beginner can follow it. Here's exactly what comes with the kit: 10 individual seed packs, 4,818 non-GMO seeds, packaged in the United States. The main guide, Herbal Medicinal Guide, from seeds to remedies. Bonus 1, healing yourself at home with household items, practical and immediately usable, even before your garden is ready. Bonus 2. Wild edible and medicinal herbs you can forage or find around the house, which takes the whole idea beyond your backyard. And a full 365-day money-back guarantee. That's everything you need to start building something real. I know how easy it is to think, I'll do this when things slow down. But a garden only helps after it's planted. The skills only built after you start. And the confidence only comes once you've begun. There's no version of preparedness that starts on the day you need it. It starts now in a quiet, low pressure, totally manageable way. So if any of this resonates with you, if you've ever wanted your home to feel more capable, more grounded, more yours, this is where I'd start. You're not committing to becoming an herbalist overnight. You're just planting 10 seeds and following a guide. And from there, something grows, not just in your garden, in you. Click the link below and get your Medicinal Garden Kit today. Plant it, learn it, use it, and start building a home that truly takes care of you.